Imagine turning a simple photo into a stunning pet avatar, a fun cartoon avatar, or even a lifelike product avatar within seconds. Today, I'll reveal the AI tool that makes it possible. Stop wasting hours on design. This AI tool transforms any image into professional avatars in just a few clicks, and the results will blow your mind.
I'm feeling super fresh after my shower today. Time to get ready quickly. She's probably waiting for me.
Hey, I'm Topview Avatar 4. Give me one picture and I can make a video like this. Natural, longer, and doing the moves you want.
Introducing our modern standing lamp, the perfect blend of style and functionality. With its sleek design and sturdy base, it not only brightens your space but also adds a touch of elegance to any room.
Perfect. So, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, head over to the official Topview AI website using the link provided in the description. Once there, click on the Sign In button and complete the quick sign-up process. After logging in, you'll land on a clean, easy-to-use interface. To start, I'll walk you through creating a product avatar. Simply click on Product Avatar and a new dashboard will appear. Here, you have two options. Either choose from a wide range of pre-made avatar templates or upload your own image to create a fully customized avatar. The templates are great for quick results, but for this demo, I'll show you how to build one using your own photo. Click on Use My Photo, then upload your image. After that, upload your product image in the section below. You can manually adjust its placement or switch to auto mode for instant alignment. I'll demonstrate with the manual option so you can see how flexible it is. Once everything looks good, click Generate. In just 1 to 2 minutes, your avatar image with product will be processed and ready. Next, hit Create Avatar, then paste your script into the text box. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the AI voice. Topview AI offers a wide variety of natural-sounding voices, so pick the one that best matches your brand.
Welcome to Topview.
After selecting, hit Confirm. You can also enable subtitles for added impact. Finally, click Generate, and within moments, your product avatar video will be ready, complete with lip sync, voiceover, and a professional finish. I'll show you a live example in just a second.
Introducing our modern standing lamp, the perfect blend of style and functionality. With its sleek design and sturdy base, it not only brightens your space but also adds a touch of elegance to any room.
This is perfect with lip sync, voice, and video quality. But that's not all. Let's move on to Avatar 4, the most advanced and powerful model in Topview AI. With Avatar 4, you can create extended videos up to 2 minutes long, including pet avatars, cartoon avatars, and ultra-realistic UGC-style avatars. Personally, I find Avatar 4 to be a total game changer, so let's put it to the test and see the results. Alright, so let's start with the cartoon avatar. First, you need to click on Art. Here you'll find a wide variety of cartoon avatar templates. I'll go ahead and select this one. Next, you'll need to add your script inside this box. Once you add the script, you'll notice that the tool automatically detects the perfect voice for the avatar. To enable it, simply click on the switch. You can also add subtitles and custom motions if you'd like, though these are optional. For now, I'll leave them off. After that, just click on the Generate button and then on Export. Your avatar will automatically be saved in the Projects section. Now let's wait for a few minutes while the video generates. As you can see, the avatar video is ready. Let's play it.
AI can write essays, make music, and paint art. Meanwhile, I still forget my phone password.
Perfect lip sync and hand movements. Great. Now let's move on to the pet avatar. This process is just as simple. Click on Animal, then choose a template. After selecting the template, paste in your script, click Generate, and then Export. Again, wait a few minutes for processing, and your video will be ready. Let's play it.
My AI knows me so well. It recommends food before I even get hungry.
perfect voice and lip sync once again. Finally, let's create a realistic UGC avatar. For this, I'll show you using Avatar 4 to create a long-format, realistic UGC avatar video. Here, you'll find plenty of templates available for both 16:9 long format and 9:16 short format videos. You can choose a pre-made template, but this time I'll show you how to create one using your own image. So first, upload your image in the Upload Image section. Then paste your script in the text box. Make sure it's under 2 minutes long. Next, select a voice. I think this one fits perfectly, so I'll keep it as it is. You can also add subtitles and custom motions. Now click on Generate, then Export, and wait a few minutes. The video is ready. Let's play it.
Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it is a mirror reflecting human ambition, creativity, and fear. It carries the potential to accelerate progress beyond imagination, but also the risk of amplifying our flaws at lightning speed. The real question:
Perfect lip sync, voice, and high-quality visuals. This one is 26 seconds long, but you can create videos up to 2 minutes in length. These realistic UGC avatars are perfect for content creation and marketing, helping you grow even faster. And that's it. This is how you can create amazing avatar videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on weekly tutorials about amazing AI tools. See you in the next video.